Hey, what's up, YouTube Explorers? I'm here with my dog, Lucky Ducky, and he has his paw on my face, and so the paw's over here. And so, I don't really have an idea for today, but this is all I got. And I don't know what to do because he's on top of me, and he's heavy. He's like 50 pounds. Oh! That was the ugliest face I've ever made. Okay. So, I guess just smile today. Dab on them haters. Let me see if I can dab. Watch out. Look, can you dab? Can you dab? Hey, I'm talking to you. Can you dab? Can you dab? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh. So, we're gonna make a video with this. Eventually. It's something they did at school. I'm gonna show you how to make a bowl with this. It's a small bowl, but I'll show you. Maybe tomorrow. But for today, just keep smiling like I told you. Dab on them haters. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. And bye.